Now to the war being fought here at home on our soil against the coronavirus. The FDA approved third shots for people with vulnerable immune systems. So far, those vaccinations are not happening in Oregon. Tim Gordon tells us why.
One thing we don't have is a shortage of vaccine, so you'd think it would be no problem to get third shots to those who qualify. People like Cheryl Schock of Oregon City.
My first diagnosis of the chronic form was in 2019.
Cheryl has non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. She takes an immunotherapy drug that also hurts COVID vaccine response. A third shot is a chance for at least a little protection, but visits to Oregon pharmacies have not paid off.
It's frustrating. I mean, I get it. It's the weekend. And as we've seen in this pandemic, there's so much unfolding.
The federal recommendation came out Thursday, but as of Sunday, the Oregon Health Authority had not updated its approved guidance to include third shots for the immune compromised. So providers are not giving them for the most part.
Woohoo! Team Moderna. Third shot was the charm, as well as it took me 3 places to go.
Jennifer Taft is an exception to the rule. She posted on Twitter after she got a third dose at a Portland area Walgreens. But everyone else we've talked to has been turned down. Meanwhile, in Washington, third shots are on. Saturday, the state's Department of Health wrote, healthcare providers can now offer third doses of Pfizer and Moderna COVID-19 vaccines to certain immunocompromised individuals. Again, Oregon has made no such statement.
It's frustrating. Maybe it's partly because they didn't know what the ruling would actually be when it came down. But yeah, it just says to me, we're not prepared for stuff.
On Sunday, OHA was not prepared to say when approved guidance would be released so that some of the most at risk can get a third shot. In the meantime, one Oregon pharmacist I spoke with recommended crossing the border to get the vaccine. And that's exactly what Cheryl Schock ended up doing this afternoon. She even sent me a nice picture with her smile and a fresh Band-Aid on her arm. She came up to Clark County to get her third dose. Tim Gordon, KGW News.